If your Mercedes S-Class keeps dropping Apple CarPlay mid-drive, the fix is usually a specific MBUX or phone setting. Over two-thirds of luxury infotainment dropouts stem from simple firmware mismatches or degraded physical cables. Let's isolate whether the issue lies within your iPhone or the Mercedes MBUX system itself. Follow these steps to completely wipe the cached connection data and start with a clean slate. The highly advanced MBUX system often suffers from internal Wi-Fi band conflicts or outdated dealer firmware. On your iPhone, active VPNs and strict lock restrictions are the most common silent killers of connection stability. While wireless is convenient, switching to a high-quality wired connection eliminates environmental signal interference completely. Data shows that 80% of these disconnect issues are software-related, rather than physical hardware failures. If standard pairing fails, a full vehicle sleep cycle forces all communication modules to hard reboot. Keep a certified backup cable handy and ensure your phone port is completely free of pocket lint. Before paying for a dealer diagnostic fee, ensure your Mercedes Me app hasn't flagged an urgent over-the-air update. With your network reset and MBUX cleared, your S-Class CarPlay should now remain perfectly stable.